How to get Peacock on Spectrum. So the primary way to access Peacock via Spectrum depends on whether your Spectrum plan includes a complimentary Peacock subscription. So first, check your eligibility. Contact Spectrum customer service or log in with your Spectrum account online to confirm if your current plan qualifies for a free Peacock Premium subscription. Now, Spectrum will typically provide instructions, often via email or within your online account, on how to activate your Peacock Premium subscription. This often involves clicking a link that redirects you to the Peacock's website. Now, if you're new to Peacock, you'll need to create a new account. If you already have a Peacock account, you may be able to link it to your Spectrum subscription. Now, once activated, you can access Peacock Premium on any device, whether the Peacock app is available using your Peacock account credentials. If your Spectrum plan does not include the Peacock Premium, what you can do is to subscribe to Peacock. So visit the Peacock website such as peacocktv.com and sign up for either Peacock Premium or Peacock Premium Plus. Now choose your plan, select the subscription plan that best suits your needs and budget. Download the Peacock app on your preferred streaming device, sign in and start streaming. Open the app and sign in with your Peacock account credentials and begin enjoying Peacock's content using your Spectrum internet connection. And that is how you can basically get Peacock on Spectrum.